So hey guys, welcome back once again in this YouTube channel, and this is Masum here. So now in this video I'm gonna break down that do you really need a YouTube channel, and why you should start a YouTube channel. So before that, let me introduce myself. I am Masum Mustaq and I am the creator of this YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos to help me more. So if you ask me that should I start a YouTube channel, or my question is why you should start a YouTube channel, then the answer is absolutely yes. I believe that YouTube is not only for the creators, but it also for learners too. So if you want to be perfect in English, and if you want to be a fluent speaker in English, then as I said already in my previous videos, that you start a YouTube channel and to make videos, to speak in front of the camera and record it, and then you should upload the videos on your YouTube channel. On this way you can grow yourself and your YouTube channel will be grow. Also I believe that you don't need to be perfect to start a YouTube channel. You just need to start. When you will start speaking in front of the camera, your confidence level will get increased day by day, and I believe that YouTube will also help you to improve your spoken English and to find out your errors and to make them rectify, and it will help you to be perfect fluent speaker. Just forget that whosoever is watching you, whether no people will watch you, then it doesn't matter. It just at least help you that how you are speaking, how you are practicing, and your growing level will get higher. So my suggestion is that don't wait to be a perfect speaker and then start a YouTube channel. Instead of that, just start today and try to speak in front of the camera, record that video and upload the video on your YouTube channel. So don't wait for the perfect time, start today. Your mistakes becomes a lesson for not for you only, but for all of the viewers. Also I believe that if you can talk in front of the camera, then obviously you can speak in front of any people. Try to make videos and set a career as a YouTuber. If you will not get success, then doesn't matter, but at least your spoken English level will get higher. Also if you become a consistent on YouTube, then I believe that your spoken English will get at the stage of high level, at least C1 level obviously, and your YouTube channel will get 100% success. So please copy me, take my suggestion and start a YouTube channel and start recording your videos. Try to speak in front of the camera and try to record your videos and upload this on your YouTube channel, and your YouTube channel and you both will grow. As I said on my previous video, that initially I was also shy, but to break my fear I started this YouTube, and I try to upload related to the videos of spoken English, and this way helped me a lot. So take my suggestion and create a YouTube channel today and try to speak in front of the camera, and it will create a good background for you and your platform, and I hope you will get 100% success one day. I hope you have already got me what I mean to say, and already have subscribed my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.